Hi, so this is week 5 for interactive concept. So today we're gonna be cleaning uh, dirty dirty pennies. We're gonna be using a solution of vinegar and salt, so sodium chloride, and we're gonna be putting the pennies in the solution, and they should be clean. What happens here is that the pennies get dirty because the copper in them reacts with the oxygen in the air to form a layer of copper oxide. Um, I think I used a little bit too much salt in that one. But when you put the pennies in the solution in the solution, the salt and the vinegar react together and they remove the copper oxide from the pennies, and basically they look clean like that. You see that that portion that was submerged in the vinegar uh, looks clean compared to the other side that wasn't. uh, so basically that's what happens in this experiment. um, Here we put a bunch of pennies in the solution of water, I'm sorry, vinegar and salt, and we waited for a few minutes. Uh, After that, we took them out and put them in there, and you can see the difference. I mean, now they look pretty clean and shiny, and you can see the difference there. The ones that were partially submerged, you can see the difference between the part that was submerged and the part that wasn't. And that's about it. Thank you so much.